Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link PayPal to Amazon KDP. First, understand that KDP does not directly pay out to PayPal. We use a reliable intermediary. You will need to set up an account with a service like Payoneer or Wise, which acts as a bridge. Gather your KDP login credentials and have your chosen intermediary service account ready. This initial step ensures a smooth setup for receiving your royalties. Next, create an account with a reputable intermediary service like Payoneer or Wise. During setup, choose to receive payments and select the currency in which KDP will pay you, usually United States dollars for most regions. These services will provide you with local bank account details, including a bank name, account number, and routing number. These details are crucial for connecting your KDP earnings. Now, log into your Amazon KDP account and find your account details page. Within this section, locate Getting Paid and select the option to add a new bank account. Carefully enter the local bank details you obtained from your intermediary service into the corresponding KDP fields. Double-check all numbers, including the routing and account numbers, to prevent any delays. After entering all details, remember to save your updated KDP payment information. Amazon KDP usually takes a few business days, often around 3 to 5, to fully verify your new banking details. Once verified, your book royalties will automatically be deposited into your Payoneer or Wise account. From there, you can easily transfer your funds to your PayPal account whenever you wish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.